So phase one, the next thing we're doing is what you're describing.
Okay.
Is here I have my DNA scanned, so the data is there. I have the
Yeah.
data. Now I need to plug it into an AI that will tell me everything.
Got it. Yeah.
I can ask that thing because now the insights that we've collected from studying these 7,000 people have all been inputted into this AI. So now the AI can, just like ChatGPT, it knows how to regurgitate back to you a plan from a book, for example. It can also do the same with this. Like, can you please tell me my training plan based on my genome? So it's going to look at your hormones to understand how do you develop muscle and store fat. It's going to look at your neurochemicals to understand how you seek reward and how to structure your day. It's going to look at your antioxidant pathways to see how you deal with oxidation. It's going to look at all of the variables, and it's going to say, based on all this stuff, here's what your week should look like. Right? And for women, it may say, here's what your month should look like. Because if your estrogen or hormones in general are more dominant in either estrogen or androgen, then you have a bigger swing and you can't do the same workout every day. Week one may be the only week where you're doing weight training, because if you're highly estrogen dominant, you're going to get injured in the other weeks. Right. So those types of insights all get plugged into the AI, and we're literally building this right now where here's my genome, here's my DNA. Yes, I have the reports, which are the information we think people need, but I can also go constantly talk to this thing because my DNA doesn't change, it's permanent. And whatever problem I have 6 months from now, oh, I'm planning to go run a marathon. I need to figure out how to prepare for that. Oh, I'm starting to get migraines all of a sudden. Where are these headaches coming from? My DNA may tell me that, oh, you have zero gut detox genes. Have you been eating some new inflammatory foods? Right? It will ask you the right question. So that's coming. What's coming, say a little bit later, not right around the corner, is because again we've seen what really causes all these problems, the root cause. Everything we've been talking about today is root cause, right? So as an example, the oxidative stress thing we just talked about, that's a root cause for a lot of people's cardiovascular health. So if I now know that instead of waiting to get cardiovascular disease and to take pills and get surgeries, I know that it's rooted in oxidative stress. Well, what if I can actually change that gene so that you can manage oxidative stress and the inflammation never happens and the disease never starts? That's called gene therapy. And that's the next phase of what we want to work on, which is we believe we've identified the targets, and that's what's missing. We know what to fix. Geneticists don't know what to fix. And the guys that are the biotechs that are making the gene therapy, they also don't know what to fix. They're still thinking disease down, right? We're thinking system up. So we know what to fix. And I think that's going to be the long-term business that we build, is gene therapies to eliminate chronic disease.